This is a Joolz Hub2, and today we're going to show you how to remove the textiles in case you want to wash them or conduct small sewing repairs. So the first thing we're going to do is to remove the bumper bar. That's done here on the side with this gray button. Pop it off on both sides. And we're also going to remove the seat frame. So you're going to lift up on the baseboard and leg rest and also push in on that lever for adjusting the seat. Find that correct position to pull it out. Going to begin here at the bottom where the textiles go over the leg rest. So just going to pull them over this mechanical bit. Then you'll see there's this lip of textiles that comes around from the bottom, and there are two buttons here. You just need to pop out. You're going to flip it around underneath, and there are more buttons here in the corner, and again there, and that'll separate this out from under the baseboard. Here on the back, there's a zipper. We're going to open up here. And then if we flip this up, we can now separate out that central buckle. Pull on this textiles a bit. You can actually feed it through a bit from the side to get a handle on it. And while pulling this, you're going to pull aside one of these two tags that are holding that central buckle plate in place, and it'll pop out. And then we're going to turn it sideways and feed it through the slit in the baseboard. Like that. Then we're going to separate out the canopy strut. So there's a button here on the side. I'm going to press in right here in the middle of this hinged bit and pull out on that strut and separate it. And we're going to do the other side as well. Press it in and pull out that strut. Then you need to feed the textiles up over these canopy hinges. So you're going to want to dig in underneath to give yourself a little bit of leverage and pull up the textile and get it up and over. Then we're going to do the other one, and note that once you've pulled one off, it takes a bit of strength to pop this up and over. So pressing from the inside, and you got to get it up and over that circle, and then you can pull it up a bit. Then we're going to flip it around to the back, and we need to feed this lever in through the textiles as well. And then we can slide off this as one piece. Okay, before washing, you're going to also want to remove this canopy strut. And then there are 3 additional canopy struts. So they're tucked into a little pocket at the bottom. And you're just going to pop out the end from that pocket, slide it out, and then another one here, slide it out. And for some reason, the last one is accessible from the other side. So pocket here, all the way in the back, and I'm going to pop that out as well. All right, and then the whole assembly can be washed in a washing machine on a colder wash, 30 degrees, and then you hang it up to dry. Okay, reassembly. If you look at these, you'll know that they're all different sizes, 3 different sizes. Yeah? You're going to take the one that is the smallest, and that one is going to go in the back. So there it is on this side. I'm going to slot it in and feed it all the way around. And at the end, tuck it in to that pocket. And then the second longest one, the one in the middle, is going to go in the middle, which would be this one here. So slot it in. Feed it all the way around, tuck it into that little pocket. And the longest strut then goes closest to the front. Slot it in, slide it all the way around. And tuck it in place. And then this black one, of course, went all the way on the outside. So that's here. All the way through until it pops out to the other side. Then we're going to insert this back part of the frame into that main pocket in the back. So just lift up these textiles and slide it in. And then we have to get these textiles again over these canopy hinges. So through those slits. So there's one side. Flipping it around to make sure this hole comes out at the right angle. And press and pull until it pops into place. And then we can reattach these main canopy struts. So we're just going to slot them right into these hinge bits and press them down until, you can help with that button a bit, press that button in until it pops into place. Then we can flip this on the back and slide through the adjustment handle. That. Then we're going to zip this zipper over this bar. Then we're going to feed through that central buckle. Make sure it's not twisted. And then we're just going to pop it down into place. Then you have these textiles here and these side buttons. You're going to pop in there and on the other side. Then we can flip this over. You're going to take the rest of these textiles and pop them in to these holes here. And then we can slot the leg rest into those textiles at the front. So in any case, that's how you remove the textiles from the seat of a Joolz Hub2. We hope this video was useful to you, and if it was, we ask that you subscribe, as it helps us to continue making videos in the future. Thank you.